Alright, so on the way to my time of the video to, well, it won't be done until tomorrow. Got the headers in here with me. I took them out the box, setting on the fucking box, sitting in my car, taking up like the whole trunk, and then I have my friend who's following me, and the X-pipe, I put the X-pipes in his car. But yeah, man, like I said, we're on the way, so should be a good one. Well guys, we dropped the Corvette off. Well guys, we have it back. She's out here basking in the sun. It looks amazing. I've already heard it, but y'all haven't heard it yet. Let me go ahead and give y'all this startup, man, because it's been a fucking while. I don't even know why it took this long, honestly. I kind of go and explain to you what the guy told me, kind of like why it took so long, but fuck, it's hot. Dirty as fuck though, man. Ooh, that smell. Cat delete. And this is why you go for the higher trim, people. So let me go head to the gas station real quick. I gotta fill up because we're running pretty low. You can see right there. But I'll explain more as we get, or as I fucking go home or whatever, because I got a lot of shit I gotta do today. Yeah, it's been a while, man. I don't know why it took this long. I'm just glad to be back in the car, man, honestly. So as you guys know, my previous videos, I pulled the fuse in the hood to keep the valves open all the time. I don't really know how it sounds with the valves closed. I might put the fuse back in and just leave it to where I can change it with the thing. So because right now it's actually pretty loud in person. When cruising in 7th gear, it's not like overbearing loud, like unless you're like foot hard on the throttle, but as long as you're just cruising, you don't really hear it. You can hear it kind of, but you're not gonna really hear it like too much, but you can still hear it. Due to that, I mean, I might put the flaps back on. That way when I'm in 7th gear, I think the flaps close while you're in 7th gear because it's the overdrive gear, and then so I won't be able to hear too much drone. It's not like I said, it's not like a bad drone, because it's only like if you're like punching it, but if you're just cruising or whatever, or cruise control or whatever, you're not gonna really hear it. I can still kind of hear it, and I don't really want to hear that. Man, the car sounds fucking amazing, man. Like it really does. They put the headers and X-pipe on, and they also tuned it. Haven't really done too many crazy pulls and any wide open throttle pulls, but told me that usually Corvette owners use with the Corvettes, that's usually like a couple of the first performance mods or whatever, the headers, X-pipe and everything. And then with that, the quarter intake, like I have a quarter intake on mine, they're making around like 400 something to the wheels. I haven't really done a dyno test to actually prove that, but I mean, there's no reason to lie or whatever. Alright guys, so it is nighttime, but there is one last thing I want to do before I end the video off, and that is install these LED license plate bulb. I'm trying to do a little, I guess a how-to. It's really pretty easy. All you gotta do, it tells you right here. Just use like a small screwdriver if you have a pry tool or something, and just ease out the little light, you know, turn it, take it out, put the new one in, put it back in place, and that's pretty much it. Only one of them is bad, like right over here you can tell, like that one's good, and then that one over there is like dead. So here are the bulbs now, it looks like, and then here are the bulbs in the back. can see that one, and then that one's like faded too, and then this one's like a super bright white. You can see the difference right there. But I'm gonna go ahead and change the other one out too, because I don't want two different fucking bulbs on there. It looks ridiculous. It looks really good now. Yeah, that just looks fucking crazy. Got a couple things done today. I wanted to give you more sound clips, but I'll make a whole separate video. And I hate the way like it is on camera, because it's like in person it's really fucking loud. So fucking camera just died. Said the guy at Take Flight, he said they wasn't that much louder to him. I feel like because, you know, he works at the place or whatever, so he's used to modifying these Corvettes, so he's used to like the loud noise or whatever, so it wasn't really that loud to him. To me, this shit's fucking loud. So loud that I'm debating put the fuse back in so I could have the active valve system back on, because right now the flaps are all the way open, and this shit is fucking loud, like ridiculously loud to me. And like I want to give you all the clips, and I'm going to, but like I hate how it doesn't show up as good as it would in person, because it sounds way different in person than what it does on camera. Like on camera, it's not gonna give you the full. It's loud on camera, but it's not like nowhere near like what it is in person. This ain't nothing but some fucking headers and X pipes. So I couldn't imagine people who have headers, you know, X pipe with no mufflers, or fucking whole different axle back system to make it even louder, or just straight pipe all the way through. Yeah, a little bit about like what happened. Basically, he was calling me, telling me the very next day he called me and told me that they were doing it or whatever, but I guess Texas Speed had sent the wrong hangers or whatever, or O2 sensor, something, I don't know what it was, something that they needed for the car, so they couldn't finish it or whatever. So they called Texas Speed back. They had it sent the next day, I guess, because it was during like Labor Day or whatever. Never actually sent it, so I had called him the day before and asked him. I was like, yo, what's going on? I haven't heard from you or whatever. And he was like, yeah. So basically what happened was they never sent it. It was just kind of sitting there. So we had it sent, and then it should be here the next day. And I was like, all right, so you're gonna have it finished by that day? And he was like, nah, probably not, but early morning, because he still has to finish it and he has to tune it or whatever. So I was like, all right, bro, just let me know early for Friday morning or whatever. And so sure enough, it was around like 11 or 12. I was at the barbershop. He gave me a call and told me everything was ready. So I was happy about that, bro, because it's been like literally going on probably like 2 weeks without my shit. And I didn't want to make any videos, because right now this is like what my channel's about right now, is my car, and I don't have too many other things, or I don't have nothing else to film right now but besides my car. That's kind of what was going on with that situation. I was kind of upset about it, and there's nothing really I could do. I was just like mad at the situation. Like I said, this is it for performance mods right now. Next mods are going to be like exterior mods. I'm gonna get the stage 2 wing, probably C7 LED Oracle side markers, so we get that nice LED look on the side markers, not that little dot. And then I'm debating if I want to pay for this diffuser, man, because it's really nice. I really like it, but I don't know how it'll look just like on a standard car, because the diffusers really stand out on like a wide body vid. But to get the wide body vid, if you have to order like a whole kit, or because I just want the wide body fender flares in it, and like I showed you guys in the picture on my other video, it looks really nice, man. But like I said, I don't know how, but that looks really nice on the wide body. I don't know what it looks like on like a stock, because all the pictures I have of it is on like a wide body vid. Maybe I'll do some more stuff later on down the line, like maybe like I don't know, axle back exhaust or a cam or some shit like that. Supercharger, probably not. Maybe on the next car I get, but I mean, I don't know. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. Like always, thank you guys for watching. If you like what you see, give it a big thumbs up, share it, subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, take care, have a blessed day.